I'm Jill, and today I have a limerick for you to help you practice your English pronunciation. Limericks are nonsense poems, so they have no meaning, they're just for fun, but they're a great way to practice the stress and rhythm of the English language. So here is today's limerick. There was an old man of Moldavia who had the most curious behaviour, for while he was able, he slept on a table, that funny old man of Moldavia.
There was an old man of Moldavia who had the most curious behaviour, for while he was able, he slept on a table, that funny old man of Moldavia.
So limericks have 5 lines. The first, second and fifth line all have rhyming words. So in this case, it's Moldavia, behaviour, and then Moldavia again. And the third and fourth lines also rhyme. So in this case, able and table. And for this limerick, not all limericks, all of these rhyming words have the same sound, A. Moldavia, behaviour, able and table. So it's also a good way to practice the sound A, for which I have a whole other video. I shall put the link up here. So a limerick has the rhythm 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And this rhythm shows the words that are stressed. So if I just say the stressed words in this limerick, I would say, was man Moldavia, had curious behaviour, while able slept table, funny man Moldavia. So these are the words we stress, we say stronger, and all the other words get pushed together so that we can keep the rhythm. So see if you can hear it. There was an old man of Moldavia who had the most curious behaviour, for while he was able, he slept on a table, that funny old man of Moldavia. So this is why I'm walking while I do the limerick, because I think it's easier to show that it has a rhythm. So you too can walk to try this limerick and see if you can get the rhythm as you walk. There was an old man of Moldavia who had the most curious behaviour, for while he was able, he slept on a table, that funny old man of Moldavia.
There was an old man of Moldavia who had the most curious behaviour, for while he was able, he slept on a table, that funny old man of Moldavia.
So how did you go? Could you say the limerick? Keep practicing. It's all good practice for your English muscles to help them develop and help you be able to pronounce English a little better. For lots more English pronunciation, more limericks, tongue twisters and other ways to practice, head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. You can find it right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. Head over there now and do an English workout today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.